Want to browse privately without anyone peeking at your history? Let's turn on secret mode in Samsung Internet and lock it with your fingerprint, so only you can access it. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right. Then tap Setting. Tap Personal Browsing Data. Then tap Secret Mode Setting. Tap Use Password. Then set your password. Check the box Allow Biometric to unlock secret mode. Then tap Continue. Re-enter your password. Under Biometric section, make sure Fingerprints is turned on. Now, secret mode is protected by your fingerprint. To open it, go back to the main page. Tap the tabs icon, then tap Turn on secret mode, and unlock it using your fingerprint. And that's it. Now you have a private browsing mode that's both hidden and secure. No history, no cookies, and only you can unlock it. It's simple but powerful. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.